2021 Road Glide Special. Oh my God, what did he do? What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today, man. Today is finally the day. Y'all know when these transporters tell y'all one thing, it's really not that one thing. It's always something else. Our bike got picked up way earlier in the week, and our transporter finally got here. Like, literally was like, hey, bro, so where you at? How far are you out? I'm like, bro, you were supposed to be here a few days ago, guy. I got to get up, get dressed, and I'll be there in about an hour or so. So, with that being said, man, we are on our way to the garage right now to go check out this new bike we got. We just scored a 2021 Road Glide Special, little to no damage, clean title, of course, and we're gonna check it out, and hopefully it's as good as it looked on the pictures, if not better than it did. So let's hope for the best, man. Let's keep our fingers crossed. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate that, man. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our strawberry lemon drop, our 2020 Road Glide strawberry lemon drop with a built 124 on that joint, now's your time to do it, man. We got about a week left. When we come back from Arizona, we will be going live, giving away that thing, man. So I can't wait. It's about to be a movie. Don't wait till it's too late. This is going to be the giveaway with the fewest amount of entrants ever, man. So if you guys ever wanted a real shot or felt like you had a better chance at winning, now's the time to get in, man. You guys know what to do. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get in while you can, man, because it's about to go up. Somebody about to enjoy these bikes, man. We got to drop our CVO off in California pretty soon. We're going to be doing that after we come back from Arizona, and then I guess after we do that, we'll be going live around the same time, so we'll be figuring out where the strawberry lemon drop bike is going as well, man. So I can't wait. Let's get this day started, man. Let's see what today holds. I kind of missed out on a few motorcycle events this weekend out here, but furthermore, man, we're gonna make the best of today. So I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's definitely a movie, man. Let's get this day started now, shall we? Alrighty, guys. Let's see what we got here. Oh my God, what did he do? Godly. What did he do? That is insane. Alrighty, I guess we'll have to ask about that. But here we are. 2021 Road Glide Special. 114 on this joint. A little bit of ooh and ah effect. Let's see. Look like we got a little bit of damage right there. A little grip damage, and then of course if it's on this side, this bag and this latch, but honestly doesn't look too crazy. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's check him out. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is actually in a pretty okay condition from what it looks like. Pretty okay condition. Now the wheels, they had to have switched out the wheels, man, which is unfortunate, but you know, at least we got something on here. We got a stock fender on there. We could probably take off this fairing, take off these bags, get these bags and stuff re-hit, and bring this thing back to life again. But we'll see about it when we get it all off the freaking truck.
You just try it out, cooking. I'm good.
Oh, okay, bet. Oh, you had to re-strap them?
Yeah, I had to switch them because this one coming out first.
Oh, okay, got you. Yeah, they look cool. Man, what did you hit, man?
What, in the front?
Yeah, in the front. You said a deer?
Yeah? Yeah. Or a fucking elk or whatever, the big motherfucker.
Dang, where was you at?
Fuck my shit up in Utah.
Utah? Yeah. That's crazy. You ain't see it coming, or it was nighttime or what?
It was nighttime.
Dang.
I didn't have my, whatchamacallit?
Show high beams on or something?
Nah, it wasn't. But even, like, it wasn't like it popped up out of nowhere. I had time to break and I did, but the bitch ain't moved. So.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I wasn't finna swerve my shit. Oh, God.
Did you have a trailer on the back? No? Okay, well, at least you didn't have a trailer or nothing like that. Because trying to stop with that, it would have been all bad. It was no stopping at all. That is crazy. He said he hit a freaking deer. Dude said he hit a freaking deer, which is insane. Whole elk just thrashed. So he can only really drive in the daytime, really. Damn, that's crazy. Well, at least the bike is safe. It looks good. Let's see what it's looking like. Man, another freaking bike we gotta offload off the back of a pickup. How are we gonna do it? I don't know. We might even have to back the truck up there on the grass to get a better offload, because right now, you know, it's gonna be hectic, but we'll see. We'll see what we got. Of course, it has no power, none at all. We got keys. We got glasses in here, but no keys so far. No keys there. Ooh, isn't it? Let me see what else. No keys, huh? Let me see what they got in these bags. Keys in this joint. No keys up in there. Got some glasses and whatnot. No keys. Got a helmet in here. Know y'all ready to roll out. Yes, they got it in here. What is this? Digit Z. Oh, they was selling drugs. They got a scale. I guess we'll get that out of there. You know, if I get pulled over with that, they're gonna book me with some type of bull crap. So yeah, all of this stuff is gonna go in the trash. I'm actually just looking for the keys, and I don't think we have any, unfortunately. So my buddy's got to come over here and crack the code and see if we can fire this thing up without a key or what. Like I said, the damage doesn't look too bad, so we'll see what it's looking like when it's on ground. Yeah, and they definitely switched out the wheels or whatever happened, because this is the ABS sensor and that's not on there. Well, it's on there, but it's ripped off. So I guess when they went down, I don't know if they was trying to run or something. I don't know what's going on. You know, I can only speculate, but from my speculations, they definitely went down on this side, which is unfortunate, but we'll get this bike off and see what it's looking like here in a second. Okay. Alright. And then we can just back this sucker up on over here. Yeah, just back it up right here. Yes, sir, man. We got to figure it out one way or another. I was trying to offload that bike like by itself over there, and that thing was just too freaking steep. Yeah. Come on back, my brother. Come on back. Let's do it. And right here. Straighten it up. Just straight back. Yeah, there you go. Keep going. Hold it slow, slow, slow. Stop, stop, stop. All right, that's cool right there. Yeah, we should be good now. This should be perfecto now. Oh dang, my whole camera didn't fail. Alrighty guys, so this was the next best thing, man. When you find something too steep to offload, man, don't even offload it. I done learned more than enough times that you're gonna get stuck, man. So to avoid being stuck, find yourself a nice little ditch like so. And look how easy the job just got, man. So, over there. Feel me? Little to no effort right here. Just over the thing of the thing. Pull it from under the, yeah, there we go. And then we can just unstrap it and put it down now. Y'all see what's going on, man. Look how easy that just made things. I ain't gonna lie. I done found my new offload spot. Yeah, we gonna get these tie downs freaking off, and then I'll get to y'all, I guess, when we're on the ground. Alright, so now that we got that figured out, I actually gonna pump up the tires because these things are quite low. It was only on like 9 PSI, bro. 9 PSI and grass and like dirt. just is not gonna work out for us, man. So we're gonna pump this sucker up, get it going, and get it offloaded here in a second. Alrighty guys, man, we have finally got that thing off the trailer and everything under these nice skies. I ain't gonna lie, we can actually see what's going on now. It looks like everything up here is intact, good to go. Got some nice, what, like 12-inch bars or something like that, 14 inches. It's not very big at all, but I mean, I'm sure it'll be comfortable, a lot more comfortable than stock rather. And then as we get down here, of course, we got the 114 engine on this bad boy. Nothing too special that I'm seeing just yet, like no real upgrades or nothing like that, nothing crazy. Got a little ding in the fork there, no big deal. Let's see what else we got. Now I tried to fire it up, but when I put the freaking, I tried to fire this bike up, but when I put the power to it, I was only able to get pin, and I don't know the pin to this bike, so we gotta have our buddy come over and crack the code. Like I said, meanwhile, a few scratches on the bike. It's nothing a nice painter can't touch up really quick. Should be pretty easy and simple if you ask me. But looks like we got some nice, decent exhaust on here. Well, y'all heard the Rari, man. But anywho, at least we got a seat on this thing with a backrest. That's pretty comfortable. That's gonna be fun. You guys know usually our seats is like that. So got the nice 21, the new fuel console and all that good stuff. So we're good there. If we look over here, of course, everything looks intact as well. Like I said, this is a bike straight from the auction, guys. We took a gamble on it, and cosmetically it's looking like it's gonna pay off, but like I said, man, you never really know, to be honest. You never know. Just making sure there's not a key in there. No key in that sucker, but all in all, we'll get this thing fired up and it'll be a nice bike, man. I can't wait. Now these wheels are making this thing so freaking ugly now. Good thing I got one Talon wheel right back there. So I'm gonna throw that thing on this sucker here pretty soon, or at least after we get it fired up. I'm gonna throw it on there, and then we'll try to find a back to it, or try to find a new set of wheels and see what's good, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it so far in the comments below, man. It's a movie. Meanwhile, we got a strawberry living drop out here ready to roll. Ready to roll, man. She is ready to roll. I ain't gonna hold y'all. If y'all haven't entered in for a chance to win, head on over to everythingregular.com, man. Go get you anything on the website, you'll have a chance at winning. We got the strawberry living drop on the Cadillac Daddies back there. Beastin'. This thing is a beast, I ain't gonna lie. Alrighty guys, so now that we got this thing back in here, it's looking good, sounding good. Of course, it's strawberry lemon dropping with the Big Daddy. Ain't gonna lie. Let's see if they fire up one more time for us, man. One more time for the one more time. I know you here, man. Head on over. Head on over, man. Everythingregular.com. It is a movie. You can have a shot at winning this bad boy right here. But meanwhile, man, we got this thing in the garage and on the jack stand. Like I said, we got a few damaged parts. We got to either get the whole bike completely repainted a whole different color, or take the outer fairing off, take the inner fairing off, respray it black, respray the outer fairing fresh like burgundy, take off the front fender, respray that, and the bags, we definitely gonna have to respray them. So the bags and the fairing and the inner fairing are gonna have to come off and get resprayed, or everything is gonna be having to get changed a completely different color, man. So we'll have to see what we're gonna do, but first things first is getting this thing started and seeing what is what, and hoping everything is exactly what I'm hoping, man. So we'll see what we can do. Meanwhile, right now, we can't really do much of nothing but clean this sucker up and then just wait for my buddy to come through with a computer and knock that code off, and we should be good to go and ready to roll. Meanwhile, I'm about to try to source some wheels for this sucker, because these wheels is not gonna cut it. These are like from like a 2013 or something like that, 2009 even. So we're gonna find some wheels for this. Don't know what style I'm gonna go yet. Don't know if I'm gonna go this style or if we're gonna keep it simple. I don't know, man. You guys let me know what you guys think I should do with this one, man. Let your boy know in the comments below. Of course, it has been a while since we put our flavor on something, but then again, I might do a quick sale on this. So you never know, man. We'll see what happens. Y'all stay tuned, man. If y'all haven't did anything, man, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. It's a movie.